Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video we are going to learn how to write uppercase character H. So bring your marker near to the first line. Diagonally go to the first line like this. Then bring your marker on third line, make curve here like this. Now pick up your marker, then again come to the first line and then straight away come to the third line like this. Now bring your marker on second line and make loop here like this, and then touch your marker on second line. Now pick up your marker. Here is uppercase character H. Once again I'm writing here. Look at it. Bring your marker near to the first line. Diagonally go to the first line like this. Touch the first line. Then come to the third line straight away and make a curve like this. Then again come to the first line and straight away come to the third line, and then come to the second line again like this and make a loop, and then bring your marker near to second line. Here is your uppercase character H. Hope you have learned it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.